What happens when you drink only water for 30 days? The body, each molecular cell, tissue, and organ, relies upon water to remain alive and workable. Water provides a kind of health therapy, along with sustaining your life. It greatly impacts specific body operations and the maintenance of good health. When you only drink water as your primary beverage, outstanding things can happen. Undertaking a special water regimen is not easily achievable for some, but positive consequences are possible. Here's what can happen when you drink only water for 30 days, without changing your diet or exercise routine. As the brain needs tons of oxygen to operate efficiently, and water is one of the great sources, your brainpower will be boosted. It helps you think and help you focus. Also, it makes you keen, clever, and quick. Ingesting 8 to 10 cups of water per day can improve your cognitive performance by as much as 30%. You'll age more slowly than your peers. Drinking water helps decelerate the aging process by keeping your skin adequately hydrated. It moisturizes your skin, keeps it healthy, soft, plump, glowing, youthful, and wrinkle-free. It helps maintain muscle tone, also. To realize these benefits, you must drink pure water. Drinking adequate amounts of water supports the performance of your liver and kidneys. These organs eliminate toxic substances, waste, and salt from your blood. Fulfitcher asserts that sufficient water consumption neutralizes pH levels, strengthens your immunity against kidney stones and other illnesses, and supports pain management too. You'll have a stronger heart. Water helps you become heart healthy. It decreases the threat of a heart attack by preventing your blood from thickening, and by lowering your blood pressure. 1 glass of water an hour before bed is said to prevent a heart attack or stroke. It makes it easier for the heart to send freshly oxygenated blood to the organs. The American Journal of Epidemiology published a 6-year study that found that people who drank more than 5 glasses of water a day were 41% less likely to die from a heart attack than those who drank less than 2 glasses a day. Your bones will be strengthened. Water helps rebuild shock absorber cartilage, so joints can move smoothly, curtailing joint damage triggered by tension. Testimonies give evidence that joint flexibility improves with adequate intake of water. You'll lose fat. When you drink only water for 30 days, your body removes irritable, harmful toxins and waste products from your vital organs. This makes your body cleaner and helps trim belly fat. In the beginning, an increase in pounds could become a concern if your body is retaining water before adjusting to the higher intake consumption. Even so, acting as an appetite suppressant, water comes to the rescue. You'll soon begin to consume fewer calories, lose weight, and keep it off, because the water flushes out your system, cleansing your body and reducing your hunger. Drinking 1 or 2 glasses of water before a meal can fill you up, so you naturally eat less. Consuming water at regular intervals will assist with your weight management. Your metabolism will be enhanced. Studies suggest that consistently drinking water during each day stimulates a more dynamic metabolism, regardless of your diet. Consuming 16 ounces of water just after awaking in the mornings raises your metabolism by 24%, according to the Health Fitness Revolution. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.